All right, nice work, fifth graders. You've already put a lot of time and energy into Reader's Workshop. You have the whole vocabulary sheet filled out, the definitions and the sentences. You have the questions from Reader's Workshop written in your notebook. All right, and today our focus with phonics, okay, will again be in the My Word Study book. Okay, so if you can find this book, feel free to pause the video if you need to. And then we're going to use page 3, this accountable text called The Mango. So if you can go ahead and find page 3. All right, so today we're going to really connect with that text. Okay, I like this text because it talks about the mynah bird. And those of you that love the Fudge series, the Tales of the Fourth Grade Nothing and Super Fudge, Fudge, one of the main characters, has a mynah bird, and he has all sorts of funny stories. And actually, my 4-year-old at home still says bonjour, bonjour, from that story. So a mynah bird is a bird that's known for repeating words that people teach the bird. Okay, so keep that in mind. That was my connection when I read it. Okay, but you're going to read the story. Okay, and then we're going to use these questions to guide our thinking today. What does the word cross mean in the first paragraph? What clues help you figure out the meaning? All right, so we're practicing our context clues there. How were the sparrows different from the mynah? Find evidence in the text to support your answer. All right, so you might write something like, the sparrows were different from the mynah birds because, and then you just give a couple pieces of evidence or words that were shown in the text to show how they were different. Then, do you think the moral stated is a good one for this story? Why or why not? And remember, the moral of the story is also the theme of the story. And in this particular case, it says the moral is it's better to cooperate than to argue. Do you agree with that? Is that a good moral? Why or why not? And then the last one here, excuse me. I can't quite see it based on this, but here we go. When have you found it better to cooperate with someone than to argue? Right? So that's a connection to your own self, thinking about a past experience from your life. All right, again, these questions are all in Schoology, so you can go back and look at them, read them one at a time as you try to answer them. And the answers will go in your English notebook. And I do want to remind you to be careful with the title in your English notebook, because when we go back to school, we want to be able to open up your English notebook and find the work that you did on the mango. And the mango is the name of this story, so that's a good title for the top of your paper. And then you answer the questions underneath. All right, distance learning requires really good organization, and you want to be able to prove to your teacher that you've been working hard over this time, and you really want to become a better reader. Okay, so nice work today, fifth graders. Spend some time, it'd probably take 15 minutes to finish up your work on phonics today. See you tomorrow, or see you Monday.